Really thank you so much. Thank you sa mga taga-Angono. Thank you Kim. Thank you JM. Thank you Ryan. Thank you to all of you. Sa pang hindi ko pa naman thank you very, very much. And this moment po, nais ko po mag-share ngayon ng isang mahalagang bahagi sa aking buhay. So, hingi po ako ng paintulog sa inyo. I want to say something. Thank you sa isang tao na naging napaka-importante niya po sa akin. He has been so very faithful to me. This person has been so very kind to me, helpful to me. And I want to ask now, would you please give a clap to the Lord para po kay Sister Grace. Gusto ko po siyang i-acknowledge also po. Grace, yes.
Yun yun eh!
Grace, you have been kind to me. You have been so faithful to me. You have been so very, very special to me. Kahit anong ginawa ko, nakita mo na yung mga kahinaan ko, nakita mo na yung mga pangit sa akin. You remain in me and you stay with me. I want to tell you something right now. I want to ask you from the bottom of my heart. I'm not shy. Hindi ako nahihiya. And I want the elders to help me now. Please. Para may kulang yata akong gamit. Ito eh. What? Ayan. Sisa tayo makuha mo.
I love it! I love it! Dito ka naman! Dito ka!
Grace, will you marry me?